What is up, guys? Lucas here again. I don't know. I just wanted to make a video because I'm bored. So I'm here with my friend Gio. We're just eating pizza, watching TV. We made a video like an hour ago. It's a gaming video. We were like playing on the Xbox. Yeah. So you please go check out my channel. It's Lucas Salcedo, and please subscribe and like them. And please go and subscribe to my friend Gio's channel. Tell me your channel.
Oh, my channel is Gio Gutierrez, Gio space Gutierrez.
I'll leave it down the description below. So yeah, we're just here eating pizza. I don't really know why, it's just like a midnight snack. Yeah, see. Um,
How are you?
Gio just made a video like a few minutes ago of us riding the hoverboard. Yeah. We don't really have anything for y'all. Just want to make a video because